Unraveling the ethical implications of artificial intelligence. Introduction: Artificial intelligence, the game changer in modern technology, is becoming a transformative force in multiple aspects of our lives. From healthcare to politics, from social interaction to the very essence of being human, AI is pushing boundaries. In today's deep dive, we explore the potential, the risks, and the ethical dimensions of AI's ever-expanding influence. But first, welcome to Tech Too Fast, where imaginations meets acceleration in the tech lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive in. AI in politics. The pervasive influence of AI in political decision-making raises fundamental questions about the state of democracy. In democracies across the globe, AI's role in shaping political landscapes often goes unnoticed, and the implications are far-reaching. While AI holds the potential to be a powerful tool in influencing elections and political discourse, it simultaneously poses a significant threat to the integrity and transparency of democratic processes. One of the primary concerns lies in the transparency of AI-driven manipulation within democratic systems. AI can be used to create, disseminate, and amplify political content, often with the intent to mislead or influence public opinion. These efforts can include spreading disinformation, deepfakes, or tailored messaging designed to exploit vulnerabilities or biases in the electorate. This manipulation can occur covertly, making it challenging for the public to discern the true sources and intentions behind the information they encounter. Additionally, the opacity of AI algorithms and their decision-making processes can further obscure the extent of AI-driven political influence. The complexity of machine learning models and the vast amount of data they process make it difficult to trace the origins of political content and assess its authenticity. In this context, questions arise about who is controlling, funding, or benefiting from AI-driven political campaigns and narratives. AI and consciousness. The quest for AI consciousness is indeed a fascinating and profound exploration in the field of artificial intelligence. The aspiration goes beyond the development of AI systems that merely process data and perform calculations to those that can understand emotions, exhibit empathy, and even love. If AI were to achieve such a high level of emotional intelligence and consciousness, it could undoubtedly redefine the human-machine relationship, but it also raises profound questions about trust and understanding. The notion of AI understanding concepts like compassion, empathy, and love as humans do is a complex challenge. These emotions are deeply rooted in human experience, cultural context, and personal histories. They involve a level of subjective interpretation and emotional awareness that is intimately tied to our consciousness and self-awareness. To imbue AI and the ability to comprehend and express emotions like compassion, empathy, and love, it would require AI systems to not only process vast amounts of data, but also to simulate emotional responses and genuine understanding. But before we dive deeper into AI's role in security, remember to stay in the loop with Tech Too Fast. Like, subscribe, and drop us a comment to let us know your thoughts. AI's role in security. The ascent of autonomous weapon systems introduces a myriad of multifaceted concerns that inserts ethics, morals, and security. These AI-driven weapons have the capability to make autonomous, life-and-death decisions, unburdened by human emotions and empathy. This technology's encroachment into the realm of armed conflict demands critical consideration. Advocates for global efforts to stigmatize and ban such weaponry assert that the removal of human agency from decisions to employ lethal force carries inherent ethical dilemmas. They emphasize that accountability becomes challenging when autonomous systems are entrusted with such grave responsibilities, potentially leading to unintended consequences and circumventing established international humanitarian laws that emphasize the necessity of human control over the use of force. On the other side of the debate, proponents argue that AI-powered weapon systems have the potential to bolster security by offering swift, precise responses to threats. These AI systems can outperform humans in tasks like threat detection and neutralization, potentially saving lives in high-stakes situations. However, they underline the importance of developing stringent regulations and guidelines to ensure responsible AI use in security and defense. Striking the right balance between leveraging AI for security and averting its misuse as a potential weapon of mass destruction is a considerable challenge. This underscores the need for a comprehensive international consensus on the application of AI in warfare, aiming to maintain human control, uphold ethical standards, and address the intricate implications of these advanced technologies on the future of security and international conflict. AI and democracy. Addressing the growing threat of AI manipulation to democratic processes necessitates a multifaceted strategy. Firstly, there should be enhanced transparency and accountability in AI systems, allowing independent scrutiny and global regulations to prevent misuse. Secondly, empowering individuals through comprehensive digital and media literacy programs can cultivate critical thinking skills, enabling citizens to discern between authentic information and manipulated content. Collaboration between tech companies, policymakers, and civil society organizations is vital, leading the development of ethical guidelines and innovative solutions. Investing in research for counter-algorithm technologies is crucial to detect and mitigate manipulative tactics effectively. Moreover, promoting media plurality and supporting independent journalism can diversify viewpoints, diluting the impact of any singular manipulative narrative. By integrating these efforts, societies can safeguard the democratic essence, ensuring that human decisions remain paramount in the face of AI influence. AI in the arts. The intersection of artificial intelligence and the arts indeed present a fascinating prospect. In Tokyo and various other global hubs, experts are exploring the transformative potential of AI in enhancing human creativity. This fusion, however, comes with a dichotomy of perspectives. Some express apprehension, fearing that AI might replace traditional artistic roles, leading to job loss within the creative industries. On the contrary, there are those who view AI as a powerful collaborative tool, augmenting human imagination and pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. The central question persists: can humans and AI harmoniously co-create masterpieces? Or is there a looming future where machines dominate the art world? The proponents of AI in the arts argue that these technologies can be invaluable aids to human creativity. AI algorithms can analyze vast datasets, identify patterns, and generate innovative ideas, serving as a wellspring of inspiration for artists. Machine learning can even mimic artistic styles, enabling creators to experiment with diverse techniques and genres. Additionally, AI-driven tools facilitate the realization of intricate and complex designs that might be challenging for humans alone. The wisdom race. We are in a race between the growing power of technology and the wisdom with which we can manage it. As we navigate the AI-driven world, we are faced with unprecedented challenges. Can we learn from past mistakes and adapt to this brave new world? Or are we in danger of losing control over the very technology we've created? Conclusion. As AI continues to advance, our interactions with this technology become more intricate. While we harness its power to shape our future, we must also be vigilant about its impact on democracy, consciousness, and ethics. Our world is evolving rapidly, and as we approach the future, we must ensure that AI aligns with our shared values and aspirations. Once again, this is Tech Too Fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.